Hi everybody. I thought we'd revisit the gravel garden that I sowed last November in 2020. So here's what happened in 2021. In the spring we had 6 to 8 weeks of no rainfall, and I didn't irrigate it either, so I didn't put any water on the supplemental water. And the outcome was, look at the Echinacea pallida. I'll get down here. The Echinacea pallida came up like gangbusters, again with no additional watering, and the gravel here is about 16, 18 inches thick that we dumped here. And you can see on the edge where the gravel is reducing, gets reduced to about 6 inches or less that we dumped here. The brome grass is coming back in. You see how it stops right here as the gravel gets thicker? There's a brome grass coming in from the field. See the brome grass out there? And it's getting into about, oh, the gravel will get you can see it rise up another 2 to 3 inches thicker and levels out up here. So we had tremendous success with Echinacea pallida and Schizachyrium scoparium. Here's some little blue stem coming up. Not near as good as the Schizachyrium, but there's moments of it. But I do have a lot of empty areas. There's a few Coreopsis palmata in here that will continue to develop. There's probably 10 or 12 I can find of Coreopsis palmata. So this year, and we have a lot of foxtail. Not a lot, but you can see the foxtail. I'm not too worried about the foxtail. It's a reseeder, it's dead. It's easily outcompeted by whatever I put in here. So I'm not too concerned about the foxtail. And I'm going to seed in this gravel area this year more Schizachyrium, less Bediza capitata, Amorpha canescens, and Eryngium yucifolium. So I'm adding more little blue stem, which will be my dominant grass. So let me go over and get the bucket. I mixed the grass with medium vermiculite and the seeds. I put all the seeds in this bucket and mix it with medium vermiculite to give it when I scatter the seed, to give it some kind of a base to scatter with. So I'm just going to go along and scatter the seed in here. I've got about 75% to 80% vermiculite. The other 20% are the seeds I mix together. And as I mentioned before, this process I learned from Tom Vanderpool. To be fair, this isn't what I do for a living. If it was, I'd probably be eating Twinkies and whatever else for a food stable. But I'm trying different things. I really like the gravel idea. And there's a lot of places online you can visit, other people doing seeding processes where you might find out more information. I'm just going to keep you updated on my success here in the Midwest, sowing on gravel. And we'll see what the outcome is next year. And I'm probably going to supplement a water, I think, next spring if we go into a drought like we did this year, 6 to 8 weeks without rainfall. It's a lot of fun, and I'm learning a lot. And we'll see what kind of uses this can bring into the future. And again, there's a lot of people online. Check out online seeding of gravel areas. I think you'll find out a lot of information. I learned a lot this year about Echinacea pallida. It's a plant that loves rocks and gravel. It really doesn't require a lot of extra irrigation. Look how beautiful it looks. That's it. Well, I'll keep track of it, and then you and I can learn together and see where this all goes. Bye, everybody.